Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tabitha. If you're new to this channel, welcome and please subscribe for more videos. Today we are going to talk about capital assets. So capital assets could be, when you hear a capital asset, something that comes into mind is a car, a house, a land, those things. So let's look at them. So capital assets are physical or non-physical asset that a company or individual use to produce more money in their business. So, and they have characteristics. So let's look at what are the examples. So they are divided into two groups. There is physical assets and non-physical assets. So let's look first at physical assets. So physical asset, we have an example of a land. So a land, if you have a land, you can sell it later on at a higher price and you get something from it. You can have a property that you use as a rental properties to make you money in your business. You can have a plant that is used to produce goods and services that are sold to customers and you get money. You can have equipment that you can use in your business and you make money with that equipment, and that equipment you can also sell at some point. So those are examples of for physical assets. So let's look at non-physical assets. So non-physical assets are goodwill. So goodwill is something that represents a value of or a name of a company. So it could be a factor, it could be a product, it could be a customer service. So that's goodwill is a capital asset to that company because it can make them money. Trademarks are symbols, name, or even designs that a company use to make money. So if someone take that design and use it in their business, they have to pay it back or they have to buy that design. So we have licenses. So licenses are those legal documents that someone used to carry out a business. So like, for example, if you want to sell insurance, and then you need a license. So that license will now make you money. It's like your capital assets because it will make you money. You can use it to make money. Patents. So patents are grants that are given by the government that make you to have that authority to give people to use your invention. So no one can use your invention until you give them permission. So that give you that authority. So when you give people authority to use your patent, you can make money. They can buy it from you. And this all capital assets, they have criteria, or you will say characteristics. So some are in the production of goods or services. So you only use them in production of goods and services. They have they have a useful life of more than 1 year. Some can go for 5 years, 10 years, 30 years. Depend if you buy a rental properties that you want to keep to hold for 5 years, so that the useful life for that property. And then when you sell it, and then it ends like that. So we also can use them for continuing producing income before you decide to sell them. And when you sell them, it's like, we don't mean like selling them like they are property, they are products. You dispose them. So like if they have depreciated for some time and now you don't want to keep them anymore, and then you dispose. Disposing is like you sell them and you write them off your book. So they are not intended for resale. So if you have properties, if you have patent, right? You have asked someone to use their patent. You cannot go and resell it, because that person who need to use that patent will have to come back to the owner of that patent. They are recorded on balance sheet. So those equipment, you put them in land, you put them in, they're part of asset section. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.